Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel, and today we will discover about Instagram features that can help you to increase your engage or performance of your account. So here we will explore the way how we can use the poll features on the Instagram. Open your Instagram application and make sure you are stay in the home section, and then you just need to go click this plus button to add the picture for your Instagram story. Pick the picture that you want. And here, let's say I would like to have this picture, and then if you want to create a poll, go click this second option on the top side here, and then you just need to find this poll and make sure that you already prepared the question. Let's say here, what do you think about my lipstick color? And then you just need to add the option of it, yup, girl, or no, change it. And right after you're done, you just need to go click this done, and you can place this option into the specific area that you want to place it, so that you will not gonna cover any picture of your Instagram story. And whenever you're done for editing this, you just need to go click add to your story. And whenever it's done to be uploaded, now your follower will be able to pick the option, and whenever they tap it, they will like this percentage pop up. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy it, and let's meet again into other tutorial.